Which term best defines the word deployed as it is used in paragraph 2 of the passage? A. Developed, B. Introduced, C. Unfolded, or D. Used. Let's begin by taking a look at the context in which deployed is used in paragraph 2. We see it in the 5th sentence, which tells us that the robot is kept on board the ship and can be deployed whenever the vessel is stationary and has a data connection. Based on the context, we can see that deployed here means the robot can be used or activated when needed. As used is one of our choices, it seems likely that this is our final answer. If we'd like to be cautious, we can take a look at our other choices as well. A. Developed. As developed refers to the creation or design of something, which we can see doesn't make sense in our context, this can be marked as incorrect. B. Introduced. Introduced refers to something being presented for the first time. Because our context is saying it can be deployed whenever the vessel is stationary, we can see this is not correct in this context. And C. Unfolded. As unfolded refers to something being physically opened, which we can see isn't the case here, this can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer, choice D, can be marked as our final answer.